大家好 Welcome to Culture Tater Tots, where we learn language and culture through story times, crafts, and play. Are you ready to learn some Mandarin today? 来吧 Today, we are going to learn two words that are fun to say and very, very useful. They are big and small. I have two giraffes here. Which one is big and which one is small? That's right. This one is big, this one is small. Big in Mandarin is 大. 大. Can you say that? 大. Can we say it with a big voice? 大. Really, really good. This one is small, and we say 小. 小. Can you say that? 小. Now let's say it with a small voice. 小. 很好, very good. Now can we say it together? This one is 大. This one, 小. 大, 小, big and small. Hi friends. I'm in the playroom and I'm sorting through some toys and I need your help to tell me if something is 大, big, or 小, small. So I have two bins here. If the toy is 大 or big, we are going to put it into this bin. And if the toy is 小 or small, we will place them into this bin. Ready? First, I have two trucks. 哪个卡车是大的呢? Which truck is the big truck? Oh, thank you. 这是大的卡车. We're going to put it in this bin, 大. And this is 小. 小的卡车. We're going to put it into this bin, 小. I have two dinosaurs. Which one is 小? Which one is the little dinosaur? 这个是小的恐龙. I'm going to put it into 小的 bin. 这个是大恐龙, 大. I'm going to put it into the 大, big bin. I have two baby sharks here. Which one is 大的? Which one's the big one? Ah, yes. 这是大的鲨鱼. This is the big shark. Which bin do I put it in? That's right. Let's put it in the 大的 bin. This 小的鲨鱼我们要放在小的 bin. Thank you. I have two cats. Can you tell me which one is the big cat? 大的猫. This one? Are you sure? That's right. 这只是大只的猫. Where should we put it? That's right. Let's put it in the 大的 bin. 这只是小只的猫. 我们要放在小的 bin. Last one. I have two police cars. Which one is 小的 police car? Which one is the small police car? This one? That's right. 这辆是小的警察车. I'm going to put it in the 小的 bin. And this one 是大的警车. 我们放在大的篮子里. All done! Thank you so much! 游戏时间, let's play a game. We can also use our bodies to show if something is 大 or 小. I'm going to show you a few animals, and you're going to tell me 它们是大的还是小的? Are they big 大 or 小 small? Ready? First one, 大象大还是小? That's right. 大象很大。Next one is an ant. 蚂蚁大还是小？ That's right. 蚂蚁是小的。How about this one? 老鼠大还是小？ Yes, that's right. 老鼠很小。Wow, a giraffe. Whoa, a giraffe is tall. What do you think? 长颈鹿大还是小？ Yes, that's right. 长颈鹿好大。The next one is not quite an animal, but I need your help figuring out if it's 大 or 小. Ready? 暴龙 T-Rex. Is a T-Rex 大还是小？ That's right. 暴龙好大。暴龙有好大的牙齿 They have big teeth. 还有好大的尾巴 They have a big tail. 所以暴龙好大。Thank you for playing with me. That was so much fun. 找一找 Find and seek. Let's look at this picture. What do you see that is 大？什么东西很大呢？ That's right. The elephant 很大。什么东西很小呢？ Yeah, that's right. 小鸟好小，蜜蜂也好小。I see bears, fish, and frogs. 什么是小的呢？ What is small? That's right. 青蛙好小，鱼也好小，熊好大。Wow, they must be having so much fun playing in the water. Wow, what do you see here? I see snakes. I see trees. I see bugs. And I see leaves. 请问什么东西很大呢？ What is big in this picture? That's right. 树很大。The tree is very big. 蛇也很大。The snake is big. 虫很小。The bug is small. 树叶也很小。The leaves are also small. The next time you're reading a story with your mom and dad, you can try finding things that are 大或是小。I had a great time learning big and small with you in Mandarin. 大还有小。If you had fun today, make sure you give this video a like and hit subscribe for more ways to learn Mandarin through play. I'll see you next time. 再见。